All right, good day everyone, and welcome to Medicare Insurance Finder's presentation on comparing Medicare supplement plans. Today I'm going to give you kind of a little insight on some things to consider. With today's economy, a lot of people are trying to look to lower their Medicare supplement rates, and here's a few things. I'm going to give you some tips. One, first of all, you're going to shop your Medicare supplement plan every 2 to 3 years. Most of your agents will not tell you this because of the fact they don't want to go through the hassle of switching them every 2 to 3 years. But if you're looking to find the best Medicare supplement rates, you need to be considered looking at different plans. One, to not cancel your current plan until you have another one in force. That is a very, very important thing to remember, because if you get denied coverage, if you're in a state where there are health questions and you're not guaranteed issue, you do not want to cancel and not be able to get back your old policy. So that's very important. So in comparing Medicare supplement plans, some of the things that I would consider, I already told you the one thing, that you want to shop every 2 to 3 years, but I would also consider Plan F and a Plan G. I have another video on a Plan F, Plan G comparison. It's on PowerPoint, which breaks it down a little bit more. But your Plan G and Plan F, the only difference in these two plans is you got a $140 deductible. Okay, so in a lot of cases, I ran a quote for a lady this morning who the difference was $360 between the Company A and Company A's F and G plan. So she was paying over $300 for this $140 worth of coverage. So I strongly recommend you give the Plan G an option. It's a great thing to consider. That's one thing that could help lower your rates. Also, checking on the carrier's loss ratios before you're getting the Medicare supplement plan is another thing. You're not always able to find this. A lot of times we can't even access it for all carriers, but we know when carriers are taking big hits. We saw a carrier today in Texas with a Plan N take a 40% hit. Well, we had a carrier that was a B-plus rated carrier. It was a good carrier. A few years ago in Mississippi, give I think it was a 30%, if I'm correct, a 30% rate increase on their Plan F Medicare supplement. So these are things you're going to want to consider when comparing Medigap plans. There are plans A through N. Okay, so these plans range to A through N. A few of the letters in there mentioned H, I, and J used to be in effect. They were pulled out in the 2010 Medicare Modernization Act. So those are no longer there. But the Plan F is now the most comprehensive coverage. And if you're looking for a Plan F, a lot of people like it because they don't have to pay anything. It's just easy, convenient. All Medicare claims are done electronically, but this way you don't have to reach a deductible first before everything's picked up. So if you're looking for a Plan F, you need to shop. You need to compare. You need to go to MedicareInsuranceFinders.com. They have a great, or there is, I say they, that's us. We have a great Medicare supplement quoting tool. It quotes in 47 states. It'll provide you with instant rates right there on the website. You can look, contact us. We can get you the information. We can even tell you once you've gotten that. We don't show you the loss ratios, but we can tell you, hey, I know this carrier is looking like it's the best, but they just took a 20% rate increase in another state. They're kind of getting hit hard with claims. We can help you out with that. That's what we do. Again, we're based out of Mississippi. That's where our headquarters is. We have offices in New York, Texas. We have agents in all 47 states. But we are here in Miami and Florida as well. We do business in 47 countries, and so we are a well-versed insurance agency. We've been in business for 25 years, and we're recently featured for the past 2 years in Inc. magazine as one of the top 50 fastest-growing insurance agencies in the country. So we are committed to helping you. We were also voted the top 10 most dependable insurance agencies in the country 2 years in a row. You might have seen this in Forbes magazine. So we look forward to helping you with your Medicare supplement choices, helping you compare plans, see what's best for you. The three plans, kind of the last little pointer I'll give, the three plans that I recommend to people are F, G, and N. I like those plans. There's different reasons why I like those plans. We'll be glad to help you out more with that, or you can watch some of our other videos and you can see a little bit more about it. But thank you for attending our webinar today, and I hope you have a wonderful day.